Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly in Google Sheets and losing track of your labels at the top, today's tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. I'm going to show you step by step how to pin or freeze the top row in Google Sheets so your headers always stay visible no matter how far down your data goes. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered this super useful trick and you'll never lose sight of your headers again. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, open up your Google Sheet. Now take a look at the very top left corner. This is where everything begins. You're looking for that little blank box. It's right where the A column meets the one row. You'll notice it's set a bit apart from the rest of your spreadsheet with a subtle gray border on the top and left sides. It's easy to miss if you've never used it before, but it's actually a sort of control center for managing rows and columns. Now here comes the important part. If you hover your mouse over that spot, pay close attention just below the row numbers. You'll see a slightly thicker gray line. This is the freeze bar, and it's what we'll use to lock your top row in place. Think of it like sticking a sticky note at the top of a long list. It keeps your important stuff front and center while you scroll through everything else. What you want to do is move your mouse so it hovers right over that gray line just below where your headers are. You'll notice your cursor changes, and that means you're in the right place. Now click and hold and then gently drag that gray line down just below row 1. Let go of the mouse and you'll see a bold divider appear underneath your header row. That's it, the top row is now frozen in place. Let's just pause for a second because this might feel a bit different if you're new to Google Sheets. Don't worry if you don't nail it the first try. Sometimes it takes a little finessing to click right on that line. If you accidentally drag it too far or freeze the wrong row, no problem. Just repeat the process, drag it back up or move it where you need it. Nothing you do here will delete your data, so feel free to experiment and get comfortable. Now once that top row is pinned, try scrolling down your spreadsheet. Notice how your headers stay fixed right at the top. This is incredibly helpful, especially if you're working with lots of rows and you want to keep track of what each column means. For example, if you're managing a class roster, a sales ledger, or even a list of household chores, keeping the headers in view means you'll never have to guess what you're looking at. And that's really all there is to it. Freezing the top row is a simple move, but it can make your work in Google Sheets way more efficient and way less frustrating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.